Diamante Realtors has been in business for 15 years in Baja California Sur, Mexico. Diamante is the premier brokerage for foreign and Mexican buyers in La Paz, La Ventana, Cabo San Lucas, San Jose del Cabo, East Cape, Pescadero, Cerritos, Loreto, and more. If you're looking for a place to retire that's both affordable and beautiful, you may want to consider La Paz, Mexico. La Paz is the capital city of Baja California Sur and is located on the Sea of Cortez. The city has a population of about 200,000 people and is a popular tourist destination. The cost of living in La Paz is relatively low, and there are a number of activities and attractions to keep retirees busy. La Paz, Mexico, is close to Cabo San Lucas but enjoys a lower cost of living. Both areas are relatively close to the United States and only an overnight ferry ride to Mexico's mainland.